we must preserve karuna and ahimsa. Actually, this is the basic human value. Karuna, compassion. That to some extent, even animals, tigers, lions, these also, at a very young age, you see, they fed by mother's milk. But then their physical becomes such a way, harming other. Their teeth sharp, their nails also sharp. But we not like that. So basic human physical form is karuna, ahimsa. So now we, as a young human being, since we are a human being, born with mother's milk and mother's affection, really bring us, or say, our physical and mental development. Now we, basic human nature like that, then eventually, because of thank you. Ah, sweet. So biologically, we human beings develop such a more peaceful. Other animal, their very nature for survival depend on eating other. We are not that way. So now, however, human brain is sometimes create too much desire, and desire brings and some aggressiveness. So now we, I think, look our world, aggression, atrocity, violence, enough. So many people killed. And finally, even you see very, very keen to create nuclear weapon. These are old thinking. Now we should think this world, entire humanity, as you mentioned before, we all come from one's own mother. We survived with mother's kindness, and human brothers, sisters was a kindness. So we grown up compassion, ahimsa. So now last few, even few centuries, too much violence. And then it is really very, very pity of marvelous human brain used for weapon, how to kill, how to destroy your neighbor. That is totally wrong. Now we should think more to build on the basis of 7 to 8 billion human beings. We are same human being. Any sort of human being here, when we met, just a human face, no third eye. If one human being, third eye, we're a little bit surprised. But we all, you see, same face, same basically physical condition, 2 hands, 2 legs, and we should think our way of life should be according human basic nature, more compassionate. In the past several centuries, too much violence. If through this violence truly build happy world, peaceful world, no. More violent thinking also, you see, create a lot of violence on this planet. Now, we should feel complete fed up. You see, violence. So now, time come, we should try to build very happy, peaceful world. Every human being, we are same human being, so we are brothers, sisters. No point to kill. We have to live together as a human brothers, sisters. I have opportunity to visit different continents, different countries, different culture, different color, different way of life. But all I saw same human face. There is no point to create a division among human beings. Wherever I go, I show my smile. They also respond. Same. So now, on this planet, we human beings, basically same physical nature, and most important from our mother. So now we human beings should think to build human being on this planet complete peaceful. Karuna, ahimsa. If we really thinking seriously, we really can develop genuine peaceful world.